that if you want people to help you serve in the state, you bring people who are competent, whose names are known. So when the appointer is looking at it, he will say, you have no choice. Not this one here we have as a minister. I've never seen an embarrassment like that in my life. I've never seen an embarrassment like that in my life. I mean, yes, you must appoint those who are loyal, but educated people are also loyal. It has never happened in our state. It has never happened. Everything cannot be played with politics. The image of the state is key. When the person goes to a federal council, the person, they will say, where is he from? How can he raise his hand and talk? You know he can't talk there. Eh? We're not talking about talking here. We're talking about federal executive council. That you are for River State, that when you make a contribution, they will know that yes or no, yes, you are worth it. I've never seen how the state has gone to somebody can bring the law you have for your state is to present such a candidate.